Okay, quick garden update. The first one of this year. Today I bought 33 packets of Bush Blue Lake pole beans. So you can see them along the fence here. I'm gonna walk along here. And so I just planted them today. So I'll probably be blooming in around July. Maybe in June, end of June. Let's see here. And I literally just planted these and washed them. And that's about that. There's the corner of my backyard. Alright, let's see the view along here. See my little sitting area. Things growing back from last year. Everything else, you see the sunlight right there. It's cutting across. The highway's up there. Alright, just a really quick one, and I'll talk to you later. Everybody have a good day. Oh, today, by the way, was the April 26th, 2018. See you later.